Aqsa Carpets is the largest supplier and manufacturer of flooring and carpet products in Malaysia. We provide vinyl flooring, vinyl sheet, office and carpet tiles, artificial grass carpet, mosque carpets, carpets and rugs. With our tagline, high quality goods at factory prices, Aqsa Carpets prioritize and cares for high quality product with the lowest price so that the customers could acquire and experience the best variety of products on the market. With a total area of 7 acres, Aqsa Carpets provides massive variety of products with a lot of stocks, a large, well-organized, air-conditioned, child and elderly-friendly boutique to warehouse to ensure customers' comfort while shopping. We also encourage customers to come to the branch in person to experience, touch and step on our products before making any purchase. Looking for more products? Do visit us at Aqsa Pusat Penghabisan Stok, Aqsa PPS. More selection of high quality, especially carpets with double promotions at lower price. Just for you.
Kalau nak beli karpet, datang dekat sini. Sebab apa kat sini memang ajak sini dapat beza. Kualiti dia beza. Harga dia, ya Allah, jauh beza dengan tempat-tempat lain.
For customers outside Klang Valley, get multiple discounts with free postage once you make an online purchase through Aqsa Carpets website, Shopee, Lazada or WhatsApp. Double the saving with every purchase only at Aqsa Carpets.
Siapa kami?
Aqsa Carpets.
Barang-barang berkualiti tinggi dengan
harga kilang.
Aqsa Carpets, barang berkualiti tinggi dengan harga kilang.